Page 230, exercise 17.2. On the previous page, they have a spiel in there about Schoenberg, a 20th century composer. He played around a lot with tones and sounds and chords and combinations of sounds, and it's like, yeah. Some people like him, some people don't. It's one of those composers where it's easy to either you really like it or you really don't. But in this exercise, to give you an example, right at the beginning, you have this chord, the A F sharp B. Lovely, huh? May not be what you're used to, but that's the sound he wanted. And you're going to be using pedal. They suggest pedal in certain places. But I just want to point out that not everybody has large enough hands to play that first chord in a block fashion. Your hands may not be that big. So what I would suggest, if they're not, is you play the bottom note with the left hand and then push the pedal down. So the pedal will keep the sound going, so now you can use the left hand to play the next chord. And then the next chord, if your hand's not big enough, you can play the bottom note with the left hand again. And then go down and play the next chord with the left hand goes down. They're telling you LH and RH to tell you where they are, but you have to, first place, you got to be able to read music rather well, because these chords aren't going to be the traditional chords you're used to. You got to figure them out. Well, you do that easily enough simply by spelling out the chord. For instance, go down to the bottom, the last two measures. We have it's a triplet, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and but of course there's a rest on the first part of the triplets. 1, like so, on the triplet. But figure out what the chord is. Well, you spell it out in the right hand. It's a D, an E, a G sharp, and a C. And then on the last note of the triplet, the E goes to an E flat. 1 and 2 and like so. In the left hand, you have a C sharp, F sharp, and a B. And then on the next beat, the F sharp goes into a G, but you're holding the others down. So it's there. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Well, that's a wonderful sound, isn't it? That's what he wanted. And then it resolves to this. So, have fun with that one.